Hello, my greats, my grands, and my friends. This is Grandie, and today I'm going to tell you the story of Grandie and the apples. One day, Grandie decided to go look at some apple trees, so she rode her rooster to the apple orchard, and she was just so surprised at all the apples that were there. And she really wanted to get some and to eat some. But all of a sudden, this wise old owl appeared, and he said, "Here in the orchard are apple trees. There are apples that have magic and treasure in them, but you must find the one that is magical for you." So like Grandie, she listened very carefully, and she looked at the apples, and she had to decide which one she was going to try. She ate the first one, and it was okay. It was nothing magical. So she threw it on the ground, and the wise old owl appeared, and he said, "Here in the orchard are apple trees. You will find the one that has treasure inside that is magical for you." So Grandie, when she listened carefully, she found another apple. She ate it to the core. There was nothing magical about it. There was no treasure about it. So she threw it on the ground, and the wise old owl appeared again, and she listened again. "Here in the orchard are apple trees. Find the apple that's meant for you. Inside, it is magic. There is treasure." So Grandie found another apple, but this time she cut it in half. And oh my goodness, look what was inside. There was a star, and in each point of the star lay small black seeds, one seed for every point of the star, so 5 different seeds. Grandie was so happy. She found what she was looking for. The wise old owl came back, and Grandie showed him the magic and the treasure, and the owl said, "You need to go home. You need to plant those seeds, for magical trees will appear." So Grandie set off with her rooster to go back home with her beautiful treasured apple. And when she got home, she planted the seeds in the dirt by her roses. And sometimes Grandie just couldn't help herself. She sat outside with her amazing picnic basket to watch to see what would happen. And later that year in the fall, the trees started to bloom. Look at this! They were miniature trees. They were magical. The first tree was a Grandie unicorn tree, and the second tree was a Grandie I love you tree. And the third tree was hearts made of rainbows. Look, there was an apple tree, a green apple tree, and a red apple tree. These are all Grandie's favorites: unicorns, hearts, rainbows of love, green and red apples. She had certainly found magic and treasure that day. With the apple trees and the wise owl, Grandie was so happy. And that is the end of our story. And that is how Grandie has 5 magical trees growing in her yard. Till next time, my greats, my grands, and my friends, this is Grandie, and today was the story of Grandie and the apple tree. Love you all very much. Until next time, love you.